Hello everyone, I'm Monica from Xindun Power Company, and today I'd like to introduce our factory to you. And as you can see, this is our patent wall, and we have dozens of patents and related certifications of our inverter material, designs, and appearance.
Now I want to show you our production department, and here is for PCB board of inverter. Here is our installation department, which assembles the chassis and transformer. Then semi-finished product will be sent to do the comprehensive testing and aging testing. The next step is to pack and wait for shipment. We usually use the wooden box and carton. Our warehouse has 6,000 square meters, storing purchased accessories and products.